see that, that red against the green? That's where that Doppler radar is indicating the potential, and we want to stress the potential for rotating winds in the atmosphere, and that's what gives us concern. So at least here we're seeing that, and that's again in the area just southwest of Springfield, and that also jibes with what we've been seeing on our live cameras, and also at least what we were hearing from Barnes Airport as well.
It's a live view right now from our Springfield Skycam. Ominous-looking clouds. There's a cloud in the foreground there, which certainly looks to be on the low side, and then even one way in the distance there that looks like it is much lower than the base of the clouds, and that's what we look for is lowering clouds. In fact, the one a little closer to the shot right now does look like it's moving much more very quickly. In fact, Brian.
Yeah, you're right. And again, this is, yeah, you can see a little bit of rotation in that. Can you see that, Nick?
Yeah, it looks like that left piece coming towards us.
Yeah, exactly. So that would indicate to us some counterclockwise rotation.
Oh, there you see it right there.
There it is.
We've got some debris on the ground.
Tornado on the ground right now. You're seeing it live on 22 News. Tornado on the ground in the area of Agawam. Get inside. Get into your basement right now. Agawam, Longmeadow, Springfield. Tornado on the ground. You're seeing it live here on 22 News. This is a very dangerous storm. Southwest corner of this storm. This is we're actually looking over West Springfield right now. Thanks, Rob Capalbo, our director, for just getting us corrected in the geography. Tornado on the ground over West Springfield, and what we need to do is put a track on this to see where this is going. Obviously, if you live anywhere, West Springfield, Agawam, Springfield, Chicopee, get inside, get into your basement or the interior room, most interior room of your house. We've got debris on the ground, confirmed what we believe is a tornado now on the ground over West Springfield.
Yeah, we have even had recent reports from law enforcement reporting a tornado just about 4 minutes ago on the Shaker Road area in Westfield.
Okay, so that's also making sense. We're pretty close now to this tornado actually crossing the river into the Springfield area. We've got debris in the air, live at 4:34. Tornado on the ground. Yes, starting to see some debris kind of circulating around in the air there.
Again, if you have family, relatives in that area, West Springfield, give them a call. Tell them to head inside, innermost room or your basement if you have one, of a sturdy building. You can see that debris flying right off that tornado there.
And here it comes into downtown Springfield across the river now between what looks like the Memorial Bridge and the North End Bridge.
Let's take a bit of a wider shot if we can, just to pull it out, give some people perspective. You can see that debris flying right across the screen here. This is incredible.
There it is, tornado on the ground now crossing into downtown Springfield. Tornado in downtown Springfield as we speak. So certainly,
yeah, if you know people driving along Interstate 91 right now, they're driving right into it.
Highly unusual and very dangerous. So looks like tough to see exactly what's happening right now with this tornado as we're obscured here by the camera. But East Springfield, certainly you want to be ready here within the next 5 to 10 minutes. You've got a tornado on the ground in downtown Springfield, and now we're working our camera to get over there.
Maybe we can spin it the other way around.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe we can pick it up on our Chicopee Skycam if possible. We've got the tower cam in Chicopee. We could maybe see if we can pick something up on there.
Okay, so again, tornado on the ground right now, at least as far as we can tell here, it has crossed the Connecticut River, but maybe now moving a little bit further south, right along the river. That's what it looks like to me.
What we have here, National Weather Service just put out that it's moving east here, crossing the river, about 40 miles an hour.
Yep, that's what we're seeing also on radar. You can see this little notch hanging down off of this thunderstorm. And that's where that tornado is.
Oh, you can see it right there as we zoom in.
Yep. That's what we're looking at right now. That's that tornado that's on the ground right now in Hampden County, moving east at around 30 miles an hour?
40 miles per hour.
40 miles per hour.
So if you live east of downtown Springfield, you got to be ready to get inside now. Take your family, take your pets with you. Bottom, innermost room of your home, preferably without windows. If not, head into the basement if you have one. If you're in a car.